Welcome to the in front of me Motorola G22, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here to the network and internet section. Then here you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate Wi-Fi you should click here on the ones on the switcher, and after that you can see here all the available networks, and now we can select one from this network to connect our device. For example, we can go with the first one. Here, if you will enter your device password, you can click here to the show password checkbox, and by this way you can see the password. I know some mistakes here. For example, I'll just do it out of screen. Then just click to connect. And now you can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select one more network here. By the same way, enter the password and to connect, and you'll see just here, for example, in saved networks, you'll see there's two passwords, and you can just switch between two of these networks if you want. And just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel, and then here you'll see the internet section. Just click once on this icon to activate Wi-Fi. Click once on the switcher again, and by the same way select one from these networks, which you'll find here. Enter the password, click to connect. I'm connected, as can you see. So, and to turn off the Wi-Fi, just click here once again on this icon and turn off the Wi-Fi. Then just click here to done, and as can you see, so that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, to subscribe our channel.